Well, I got the muffler on, and I just wanted to make this video so you can hear how it sounds. And it is moving on its own. New upright muffler, little Alice Chalmers muffler that I put on. Used the same original muffler, come out of it, went into the Alice Chalmers muffler with a 90-degree bend there. There you go, wide open. And there she is. How about that for low idle? Listen to her purr. Yes, sir. I'm real proud of her. Not much clearance between the muffler and the hood and the frame of the loader, though. But it'll work. Y'all have a nice day. This is Javahjoeo.